Hello friends, today I'm going to show you one of the script activity. So before going to that, I'm going to take a new pipeline for a script activity. So I'm minimizing this and script uh, activity activity. Okay, so here we are going. Script activity will be used to fetch the data from the databases it supports. So, but coming to lookup activity will fetch the data from file and as well as databases, and it has so it own limitations. So if you want to work mainly especially on databases, then script activity is the best. So mainly what Microsoft is recommended where the script blocks is in this case. If you want to truncate the table before inserting data, script activity is the best. You can drop alter drop objects as a views and drops, so run as a stored procedures. And if you want to save the row sets, so if you are having these kind of activities, then script activity is the best thing for your requirement. Now coming to here, and I'm selecting the DB activity, one of the linked servers. So here select star from Harsha. So I have a table and I'm doing this. Okay. Now click on debug. So this stored procedure, sorry, this script activity mainly will we can use in the DML operations as well, DDML, DDL. But coming the lookup activity, it doesn't support DDL and DML. It's work only on select operations. So okay, it got succeeded. See, this is the output. This is the input. Okay. So this is all about script activity. So in the next video, I will show the what's the difference between script and lookup activity. So I hope this is very simple and you may like this video. Give thumbs up and comment. Bye.